In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Apple Mail swiftly and efficiently. Archiving emails is an excellent way to declutter your inbox without permanently deleting your emails, and it also allows you to revisit important messages later. Whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad, the process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, let's get started by opening up the Mail app on your Apple device. This app is typically found on your home screen and is represented by the familiar envelope icon. Once you have the app open, you will be greeted by your inbox, where all your current emails are displayed. Now let's move on to choosing the emails you wish to archive. If you want to archive a single email, simply tap on that email to open it. However, if you're looking to archive multiple emails at once, perhaps to organize a large batch, tap on the edit button located at the top of the screen. This action will enable you to select multiple emails from your inbox. Once you've selected the emails you intend to archive, the next step is to actually archive them. Look for the archive button. You'll recognize it as a symbol resembling a box with a downward arrow inside it. This icon is usually situated at the bottom of your screen. By tapping the archive button, the selected emails will be moved to the archive folder, effectively clearing them out of your main inbox. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully archived your emails. This process is not only practical for maintaining a neat inbox, but also useful if you wish to store important communications that you may want to reference in the future without clogging up your primary email space. Remember, your archived emails are always accessible and can be found in the archive folder within the Mail app. You can view or search for them at any time, ensuring that they're safe and sound. So, the next time you find your inbox becoming a little too crowded, remember these quick steps to efficiently archive your emails. It's a simple process that can make a world of difference in how you organize and manage your communications. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.